What if the most dangerous missions could be executed without risking a single life? Imagine a submarine so advanced that it can navigate hostile waters, gather critical intelligence, and return undetected, all without a human soul on board. What would this mean for the future of naval warfare? You better stick around to find out. But before we get into it, do give us a like and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. If you're done with that, then let's get started. This is the Manta Ray from Northrop Grumman, a revolutionary submarine that has achieved what was once thought impossible. As global threats intensify daily, the US Navy has urgently needed an autonomous wanderer vehicle capable of executing the most dangerous missions without detection. For years, this elusive, groundbreaking machine was merely a dream, until now. With its unprecedented capabilities, the Manta Ray is poised to redefine naval warfare. Recent media reports have revealed that the US Navy has just completed testing on a highly secretive autonomous submarine, nicknamed the Manta Ray. Designed and built by Northrop Grumman, this state-of-the-art platform was created to solve an age-old problem. After years of research and development, the Manta Ray completed its first operational test off the coast of California this spring. But what exactly is the Manta Ray? Due to the classified nature of the program, few details are publicly known about the Manta Ray and its capabilities. What is known is that the Manta Ray is designed as a fully autonomous underwater vessel that requires no human presence on board or remote control. Once launched, it conducts its mission independently and reports back. To maximize efficiency, the Manta Ray is designed to be modular, with components that fit inside 5 shipping containers. This allows it to be transported by truck over long distances, conserving energy for longer transits rather than moving under its own power. Upon reaching the mission site, the Manta Ray can be assembled using standard tools and a crane. The Navy has not disclosed what type of ship might launch the Manta Ray or how it would be deployed. However, it is speculated that the large mission bay of a littoral combat ship or an amphibious ship's well deck could be used to deploy the craft. While the exact mission of the Manta Ray remains undisclosed, media reports suggest it is capable of conducting a variety of reconnaissance and surveillance missions. These could range from simple tasks like taking photos and videos of enemy coastlines to more complex operations, such as tapping into underwater cables or sneaking into enemy ports to gather intelligence on adversary navies. The Manta Ray has been consistently described as a surveillance vessel, and there have been no indications that it will be armed. Beyond speculation about its use, little else can be inferred from the limited publicly released photographs. One detail that can be discerned from these images is the size of the Manta Ray. In photos released by the US Navy, a 7-meter rigid hull inflatable boat is seen following closely behind the craft. By using a rough estimate, it becomes apparent that the Manta Ray has a wingspan of approximately 20 meters and a length of about 14 meters. The images released also intentionally obscure the back of the aircraft, which is a common practice when sensitive equipment is involved. This suggests that the Manta Ray may tow some type of array, likely a sonar array or possibly a communication suite, behind it. Something that would be a first for an unmanned underwater vehicle, UUV. The US Navy has long sought a fully autonomous submarine due to the risks associated with manned operations. In a real-world conflict with a peer adversary like Russia or China, losing even one submarine would mean not just the loss of a multi-billion-dollar asset, but also the irreplaceable experience and training of its crew. Navy has therefore pursued the development of fully autonomous submarines to augment its fleet and undertake the most dangerous missions. This is where the Echo Voyager comes into play. Developed by Boeing, this underwater vehicle is the precursor to the Manta Ray, laying the groundwork for its advanced capabilities. The Echo Voyager is particularly important because it showcases what these types of vessels can do and how they operate. Since the technology behind the Echo Voyager is nearly 2 decades old, there is a wealth of publicly available information about it. Let me explain how AIP works. Traditional submarines rely on electric batteries powered by diesel generators. However, running a diesel generator in an enclosed space is dangerous, as the toxic exhaust can be deadly if it accumulates. As a result, diesel submarines must frequently surface to snorkel depth to recharge their electric batteries, exposing them to enemy fire from ships, aircraft, and shore batteries. Once submerged, the Echo Voyager can reach speeds of up to 8 knots, but must maintain a minimum speed of 3 knots. It can travel up to 150 nautical miles between charges for its diesel engine and can dive to a staggering depth of 11,000 feet, compared to the 3,000-foot depth that the U.S. Los Angeles-class submarines can achieve. But how does the Echo Voyager determine its location at such extreme depths? Traditional GPS systems do not function at these depths, so the Echo Voyager relies on an inertial navigation system that dead reckons its position based on its last known GPS fix. Additionally, the Echo Voyager uses Doppler velocity logs to measure its speed by sending out signals into the surrounding water and waiting for their return. When near the ocean floor, the Echo Voyager can use terrain, contour matching, similar to what Tomahawk missiles employ, to guide itself. Finally, forward-looking sonar helps the Echo Voyager avoid obstacles such as seamounts or underwater mountains. The Orca, another UUV developed by Boeing and named after the apex predator, is an armed descendant of the Echo Voyager. While the Navy has kept details about the Orca's capabilities under wraps, it has been confirmed to be equipped with combat capabilities, including torpedoes and mine-laying functions. The Orca also has advanced technologies for finding and defusing underwater mines. Despite the progress, the Navy is still years away from fully deploying these autonomous submarines. The Manta Ray has only just completed its initial underwater testing, and the Orca's first operational prototype was delivered to the Navy in December 2023. However, once these prototypes become operational, they are expected to be game changers in undersea warfare, bringing a new era of naval capabilities. So, what are your thoughts about the Manta Ray? Are there other cooler creations in warfare that we should know about? Let us know in the comments below. If you liked today's content, do give us a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.